Hello Yorktown, I'm student meteorologist Shiraisi. It's right about 1 o'clock and the temperature is a chilly 52 degrees. As you can see from the parking lot behind me, we are currently experiencing bright, sunny weather. Today appears to be a perfect day to ride a bike with friends or fly a kite. As always, have yourself a wonderful day and let's take it back to the studio.
Thanks for that update, Tracy. Now let's try to put a smile on your face with the jokes of the day.
Hi, my name is Sophia, and here are some jokes to remember the next time you're in a situation to tell some jokes. What do you get when you cross a snowman with a vampire? Frostbite. What instrument can you find in the bathroom? A tuba toothpaste. Join us again for some more jokes tomorrow, and until then, let's take it back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Sophia. Now for all the word lovers out there, we present to you the word of the day.
Hi, my name is Christian, and welcome to the segment dedicated to improving your vocabulary, the word of the day. Today's word is vandalism. Vandalism is a noun. Vandalism is defined as deliberate and pointless destruction of public or private property. Willful destruction is a synonym for vandalism. In a sentence, vandalism can be used like this. The city realizes it needs to create tougher laws to discourage vandalism. Vandalism. Can you use it today?
Thanks, kids. Now let's go to Eric with today's true or false.
Hello, my name is Eric, and today's true or false topic is airplanes. Let's see if you can figure out which statements are true or false. True or false? The Boeing 777 was released in 2001. If you said false, you are correct. It was released in 1995 with United Airlines as its launch customer. True or false? The Boeing 747 is nicknamed the Queen of the Skies. If you said true, you are correct. It was called the Queen of the Skies because it was revolutionary and changed the airline industry. True or false? Airbus sold more aircraft than Boeing. If you said false, you are correct. As of this day, Boeing sold 8,000 more aircraft than Airbus. Thanks for watching today's True or False. Now let's take it back to you in the studio.
Thanks, kids. Now from the creative minds of Cynthia and Mark, it's today's stop-motion short titled Magic Wand.
At Strang Middle School, we strive to be safe, responsible, and respectful. Today, we are going to present you with a situation based on an actual event. Names have been changed to protect the individuals involved. A bunch of kids are calling a new student in your grade by an appropriate nickname you think is funny. The new kid never specifically asked everyone to stop calling him the inappropriate name, but he doesn't look like he finds the name funny. What do? Let's see what some students at the MESMS would do.
You should tell your friends to stop calling him that nickname. If he doesn't seem that he likes it, then shouldn't you stop? Isn't that technically a form of bullying?
I would tell them to stop.
I would tell that person to stop and not bully him. If I saw this, I would tell a teacher or I would confront them and tell them to stop.
If I saw this, I would cheer the kid up.
If someone was calling a kid like a mean nickname, I would tell the kids to stop, and if that didn't work, I would tell the principal.
If some kids were calling another kid inappropriate names, I would go and tell a teacher to make sure that doesn't happen again.
If somebody at school was calling another kid an inappropriate name, I would tell the principal or a teacher to make sure it stops.
If I saw some kids calling another new kid some inappropriate names, first of all, I would tell them calmly to please stop. But if it keeps on and the new kid keeps on saying I don't like it, I'll tell them a little bit more firmly, please just stop annoying him. And then the second time, I will probably get mad and end up telling the teacher and addressing it to Mrs. Silverman so she can make it clear to stop.
If the kid finds it offensive, you should tell the other kids to stop it because he finds it offensive and it's me.
So first I will tell the kids who are bullying the new kid to stop, and if they don't stop, then I will tell an adult so they could handle it.
Good job, kids. Now let's go to Justin with Today Hit in History.
Hello, my name is Justin, and I'm going to share some facts and events that took place on this day in history. On this date, in the year 1931, gangster Al Capone was sentenced to 11 years in prison. Based on this event, we will focus today's facts on the gangster Al Capone. Al Capone has 8 siblings. Capone earned $60 million annually with selling illegal liquor. This has been Today in History for October 17, 2017. Now let's take it back to the studio.
Thanks, kids. We were wondering, what is the most useful skill to use in the future? Let's see what the kids in the hall had to say.
To be organized and to keep track of all your things.
To stay neat and keep everything organized.
One skill you should learn in the future is to be confident in yourself, because then you could achieve stuff in life.
The most helpful skill to learn is cooking, because if you learn how to cook, you don't need somebody else to be able to prepare your food for you.
Paying attention in class so you can learn everything you need to know.
Probably talking to other people, like learning how to conversate with people. The most useful skill I can use in the future is my multiplication facts to help me in life.
The most useful skill that I can use for the future is studying so I can get a good grade on a test.
The most useful thing I could learn is an aerial so I can be on crew at my dance studio.
Good afternoon, Yorktown. My name is Vidu, and today's lesson is from science class. Today in science class, we learn about pH levels. pH stands for potential of hydrogen. On a pH scale, 0 to 6 is acid, and 8 to 14 is base, and 7 is neutral. That's all from today's lesson. Now let's take it back to the studio.
Thanks, kids. That's our show for October 17, 2017. We would like to thank all of the students who contributed to today's episode. Please join us again, and until then, stay safe, responsible, and respectful.
Thanks, Sophia. Now for all the word lovers out there, we present to you the world of the...
The world? Names have been changed to protect the individual involved. A bunch of kids calling a new... That's our show for October 17, 2017. We would like to thank all the students who... Students!